Today's problem, substrings of length k with k minus 1 distinct elements. Difficulty is medium. All right, given a string s consisting of only lowercase letters and an integer k, find the count of all substrings of length k which have exactly k minus 1 distinct characters. All right. Let's see. Well, let's look at the whole thing here first. Constraints. Size of the string, somewhere between 1 and 10 to the 5th, 100,000. K is between 2 and 27. Expected complexities, linear, and topic tags. Sliding window. Yeah, this is a perfect problem for a sliding window. So we will slide a window of length k over the entire string, and so yeah, that'll give us a linear runtime. All right, here's an example. So it's pretty simple. Here's the string A, B, C, C. K is 2. Possible substrings. We'll just look at all the possible substrings. So the first substring of length 2 is AB. Since k is 2, we're looking for substrings that have one distinct character, and BC doesn't qualify. Slide the window. Now we have BC. Again, that has 2 distinct characters. Doesn't work. Slide the window again, and we have CC. That's one distinct substring. I'm sorry, one distinct character. So that works. We have one substring that works. This one, AAB, I would rather go over that in conjunction with the code. Can I do this so the code is visible? So we're going to have this. That'll be fine, I think. There's one line missing, but I'm going to slide that over so we can see the code and we can see the string. All right. So we're going to define a map for this. It might occur to you that, well, we could use a set for this because a set will keep track of distinct characters for us, right? If we try to put a duplicate character in the set is not going to accept it. A set will actually not work with this. If you want to try it with a set, you'll see why it doesn't work. I don't want to do a digression on why the set doesn't work, but we're gonna create a map of characters. Character is the key. Integer is the count of the character. Now the k greater than s dot length. It's just kind of a sanity check. K can take on values up to 27. The length of the string only has to be greater or equal to 1. So I don't want to run a loop here up to k on a string with length less than k. So I'm just going to check that and return 0. All right, we'll initialize a count. This is going to set up the first k characters in the map. So the first k characters, in this case k is 3, will be A, B. It's going to put this is going to increment it's going to put the character in the map or increment the count of the character in the map. So we'll put in an A first. Let me get the pen. We'll put in an A first. A is 1. Next character is also an A. So now A is, let me just do this. Now A is 2. Next character is a B. So we'll put B in the map. B occurs 1 time. All right? Then we check the size. of the map. There are 2 entries in the map, so size is 2, and 2 equals k minus 1. K is 3. So count, now we have 1 substring that works. Now we're going to run I from k to the end of the string, and as we do that, we are going to decrement the character that is leaving the window. The character at I minus k. What is the character at I minus k? So I is going to be 3, k is 2. So the character, whoa. No, I is 3, k is also 3. So that would be the first A. First A is going to leave. All right. So let's knock it back down to 1. Okay. And then we're going to add a character. We're going to add, oh, it's another A. So actually we can bump it back up to 2. Wait. Okay. Yeah, I forgot this part. This actually doesn't apply to this example. But if we decrement a character and it is now at 0, then we're going to remove it. Okay, because we don't want to count it as part of the size of the set. Okay, next thing is put the character or increment the character that is being added to the set. All right, and then check the map size. Now the map size, it's still 2. So that is another winner. 2 distinct characters. All right, next thing, what is leaving the window? What's leaving the window is an A. So we will decrement the A back down to 1. We're adding a B right here. And so B goes up to 2, but it's still only 2 characters in the map. Size is 2, and so that is 3. And there is one more line down here that says return count. And so the count would be 3. We'll return it. All right, let's take that off and try and run this. Uh-oh. Forgot A. Oh, okay. Forgot A. It says line 33. Actually, let me just do a compile and run on this. And put s char at I variable set. Oh, it's not called set. It's called map. All right. Let's go one more time. All right. Good. Now let's run it. Good. Do I get a geek bit? Oh, I do. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's like sort of a classic sliding window problem. We are looking at substrings, and we're looking for some unique property of the substrings. We are given the length of the substring that we want, so we have a sliding window of length, length k, and just slide it down the string and test the substrings for the property that we're looking for. All right. So be sure to like the video, subscribe. You'll get problems of the day in your inbox, and we'll see you next time.